guys, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay. So, for today, Taurus, gagawin natin ang inyong December General Love Reading. Tingnan po natin, guys, kung ano ba ang status or how's your love life for this month, December 2025. Advance happy holidays po sa inyo, guys. So, tingnan natin kung sino tong kakonect nyo and ano ang maaasahan nyo with them. Only take what resonates as this is just a general reading. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell na rin po para po tayo updated sa ating mga new uploads in the future regarding our zodiac signs and horoscopes. Okay? Okay. So, let's see. One second. Anong status ng love life ni Taurus for December 2025? Let's see. Grass is greener. Possibilities. So, I don't know. Meron ba nagko-consider sa'yo kung connected ka na tumingin sa iba by December? Storm. Turmoils coming ahead. So, maaaring masubukan. Kung in a relationship, maaaring magkaroon ng ending. Possible lang naman, no? Sitwasyon na masusubukan ang relasyon, kung may karelasyon. And Taurus, home foundation. So, maaaring kung sino man itong kakonect mo, Taurus, no? Okay, is someone that you want to build with, like a home, want to settle down, or baka kasama ko sa bahay. Okay? Okay, let's see further kung ano ba ang reading kay Taurus. Taurus for December. Sino itong kakonect ni Taurus for the month of December? Could have your Seven of Cups. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Someone confused. Someone na may mga options or choices. But I'm feeling more of an energy na confused. Nalilito kung paano gagawin. Ba't sila confused? Ba't confused tong person na to? Magician card. Magician card. And Eight of Pentacles. Do you want to build with someone else? Let me see. I don't know, but what I'm picking up is this person may, let me see. This person wants to, I don't know kung may naiwan to obligation somewhere else. Itong person mo, Taurus. Okay. Maaaring gusto nilang balikan. Somewhere na maybe a home. What I'm picking up is this person wants to build somewhere else. Is that the thing? This person wants to build somewhere else. Yeah, that could be possible. Maaaring kino-communicate na to sa'yo ng person mo. Could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well that you're dealing with. Or another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn na maaaring kino-communicate niya na sa'yo na look, this can't work. Para mga ganun. I have another situation with me that I want to build with. Mga ganun. Who else is this person? Describe this person. Could be a Taurus or a Libra. Okay. Medyo abundant or may pera siguro tong person na to. Could also be beautiful or handsome. Sticks to their values very much. Mahalaga sa kanila ang either like parang finances, ganun. Okay, or mga material things. I'm really strongly picking up that this person wants to invest somewhere else. In December, okay. Maybe they want, tama ba? Baka naman, tama ba? Five of Wands. Does this person wants to build with somewhere else? Baka kasi mayroon tong naiwang obligasyon or family. O baka hindi kayo maayos magsama. Baka meron kayong toxicity sa relationship. Let's see. Set this aside. How does this person feel towards my collective? Three of Cups. Again, I'm feeling the energy of third party. This person could have involved you in a third party. This person na maaaring hindi pa tapos, sinasabi lang nila na wala na. Tapos nagpatuloy kayo sa relationship. Kaso alam nyo ba kung saan yan papunta, guys? Alam nyo ba kung saan yan papunta? Look at the spread. Okay, so nilagay kayo sa third party sa relationship. Akala nila okay lang yun. Akala nila magiging successful. Pero hindi. It's either... Ayan, no, nakalagay pa, always expect the unexpected. The Tower card talks about upheaval, sudden situation, could sometimes manifest as breakups, or collapse, destruction, ganyan. So, maaring kayo to na magkaroon ng problem, or yung isa ang nagkaroon ng problem dahil sa inyo. Okay. Okay. So, ano pa ang feelings nila with Taurus for December? Queen of Swords. So, maaari talaga meron kayong pag-awayan about obligations. Maaari magde-demand ka ng oras or panahon na na parang stop investing. Ganon. Kasi parang sasabihin ng isa, hindi pwede. Di ko alam kung baka meron kayong potential breakup na maranasan, ganyan. Or you will request na parang iwanan niya na yung isa. Maaari. I'm seeing the King of Swords very yellow. So baka some of you could have hepatitis. Some of you lang, or maybe your person, no? Just take it as it resonates. Mga downloads ko lang yan. Okay. Okay. So, let's move. So, yung feelings nila sa inyo. What can my collective Taurus expect with their person in December? Why do I am about to say November? Maaring November is significant with you guys. Okay. Queen of Wands. I'm really not feeling a good energy here. What is the Queen of Wands or something that they can expect from this person? Wheel of Fortune. The Knight of Wands. I don't know guys, kung kayo yung third party, maaaring sugurin kayo nung ano. Maaaring magka-conflict kayo dun sa kung iba man yung legal, no? I'm seeing ilalagay ka nito sa isang situation na maaaring makonfront ka ng legal or makonfront ka for taking away their person. Nakikita ko dito may paghahunting ako nakikita. Okay, and ito may expect mo sa kanya, Five of Swords. So parang competition, malalagay ka sa spotlight, mapapahiya ka. Sabi ko, confetti. So, baka mapahiya ka talaga or makalagay ka sa spotlight. And talagang kaso hindi naman magandang spotlight. So, magiging erratic, or, parang magulo yung sitwasyon, okay? What led to this situation na magkaganito? Eight of Wands could be about passion or actions of passion na itinago, okay? So, baka maaaring kakolaborate mo tong person na to. This could be the other party, okay? Na parang ang tawag doon, yung parang may ginawa tapos itinago din. Akala hindi makikita, gano'n. So, kaya baka asahan mo na may mag-confront sa'yo. What is the potential outcome of this connection in December? Moon card. Medyo hindi talaga okay ang reading mo. No, Taurus. So, bali mag-away kayo ng person mo. Could be possible because of possible deception, possible hiding of truth, possible na gusto kong paalisin ng person mo. Kaso parang nakikita ko dito na hindi ko alam kung gusto nilang, kaso parang gusto mong ilaban, ganun yung nakikita ko. Taurus. Outcome for the month, Nine of Pentacles, Moon and the Nine of Pentacles. So baka maapektuhan ka yung stability mo, yung mga, I don't know, I'm hearing na ipundar, mga bagay na nai-invest sa'yo is baka mabawasan yun or mawala yun. Yeah, Death card. Okay, may magbago sa stability mo. Okay. Baka may, what is the Death card here? Ace of Wands. So, may mga triggers ako nakikita. So, baka talaga pag-awayan nyo na, baka kasi umalis si person mo or baka pumili siya ng iba. A confrontation. What I'm seeing here are confrontations, iwasan, imbalance. Maaaring makita mo si person mo na nag-i-invest sa iba or mag-invest sa iba and hindi mo yun magustuhan. Okay. Ano ang may advice mo kay collective about this person? Seven of Wands. So, kailangan muna nilang tapusin yung situation nila sa iba before sila, para magkaroon din kayo ng maayos na situation kung tama man itong reading na kayo yon. Just take it as it resonates. 7, 4 of Pentacles. Meron talaga silang obligasyon sa iba and it's like something na hindi natin pwedeng pigilan kung lalo home setting ito, no? Something to na invested din sila. Okay? Something din to na kumbaga is mas nauna, I'm hearing mas nauna, and bagay na hindi nila pwedeng takbuhan. Advice para kay collective. Star card would be an Aquarius that you're dealing with, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign. Kailangan muna nilang ayusin, okay? Ayusin yung iniwan nilang situation kuno para samahan ka, para magkaroon kayo ng maayos na sitwasyon, para magkaroon kayo ng Ace of Cups, okay? Magkaroon kayo ng smooth and maayos na pagsasama. Okay? Ayun lang naman. So, let's get final oracle cards about your situation, Taurus. Ano po ang masasabi nyo kay Taurus for the December 2025 reading, advice, and all? Open up your heart. It will help you attract more love. So, kailangan maging maintindihin dito. Taurus, no? Kailangan mong maging maintindihin. Kailangan mong intindihin yung obligasyon niya. Kailangan mong parang unawain kung gusto mong mag-work na relationship nyo. Parang ganon is kailangan intindihin mo yung sitwasyon ng partner mo. Okay, gold digger, they want your money being used. Okay? So, maaring may shared finances kayo or joint finances kayo. Maaring they want your money or just, someone here is a gold digger. What else? Air sign. So, someone here is an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, magaling magsalita. Magaling magpaikot. And they'll be back. Expect to hear from them soon. So, babalik naman tong person na to. Pero kailangan mo munang respetuhin kung anong gusto nila. Okay? So, makaka-receive ka pa rin naman ng connection from this person. Okay, so yun lang naman, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!